And it says here for us, it says, do the lengths of 8, 15, and 17 make up a right triangle? And we're going to verify our answer, all right? And you say, well, Ernie, how do we know that? How do we know that? Do we draw pictures to verify? We can. We obviously know that we have 8 and 15 that are going to be our legs, and 17 has to be the hypotenuse because, well, it would be the longest segment. So what we're going to do, we're going to take and we're going to use our good old friend, the Pythagorean theorem, which says a squared plus b squared equaling out to c squared. To verify, what we want to do is put those three numbers into that formula and show that we get things to be equal right there. So we put in our 8, we square it. We put in our 15, we'll square it. We'll square it right there. There you go. And over here, we're going to put in the 17 and square. Obviously, again, 17 has to go on this side. Otherwise, it's certainly not going to work, all right? So when you've got the numbers and you know the order, and you should when you look at any numbers, or you should be able to tell which are the two smallest pieces, put them in for A or B. That doesn't matter. But when you get to the 17, only one choice, one option to go there. All right, so let's take a look at this little problem, okay? I've got 8 squared, which is going to give me a nice rousing, 64. And I'm going to pick 15 squared, and that's going to give me a nice 225. There you go. And over here, 17. Got 17 times 17 out there, everybody? I think you can. It's going to be 289. And when I add 64 plus 225, this looks pretty good to me. We got 289, which we know equals 289. Since that is true, we can say this is a right triangle. So in answer to the question, do the lengths make up a right triangle? Yes, they do. With an emphatic yes, because 289 does equal 289. And you say, what would happen if they weren't the same? Well, we wouldn't have a right triangle. But it's possible we could have an acute, an obtuse, and you know what? If the lengths were really kind of crazy, or the numbers we gave you were kind of crazy, it's possible they don't even make up a right triangle, don't even make up a triangle, period, let alone right triangle, obtuse, or acute, but will not make a triangle up, period. You say, really? Yeah, we'll talk about that on another show, all right.